AMD released today its third quarter earnings, and that's a question: should you buy, sell, or hold the stock? That's exactly what we're talking about. We dive deep into the data, guys, and we'll give you exact recommendation for the outlook for the next years, etc., for AMD. So it's really, really exciting. Have exact recommendation, and let's start with the earnings. As you can see here, first of all, the headlines where AMD records revenue and profit increase exceed exceptions, but stocks fall. So generally, they really profit. Some sort of also not, but still the stock falls. Right? Just take a look at the earnings. As you can see here, from quarter to quarter, we have here big, big changes in the data center. So this is really, really the biggest, by far the biggest, winner. The data centers, obviously, of this whole AI thing. And yeah, client and gaming was also up. As you can see, operating income and decline in gaming also increased, especially year to year, not quarter to quarter, but year to year. And also the net revenue was a bit down, by Embedded. And yeah, this is not so crazy, but as you can see, especially the data center were really, really crazy. And today, as you know, we are down despite the fact, and I'll tell you why, because today is also not a strong day for all. We are a bit down on just Apple, also Netflix. Generally we're a bit down today. So yeah. Also, we had also bad, good earnings, but the stocks will still falls. For me, that's a good point. So the market is more skeptical. Um, just take a look what the analysts did expect. So we had actually beaten the earnings, lightly, like by 3 cent for the EPS and by 7 cent on the gap actual. So yeah, actually quite good. And yeah, as you can see here, it goes up as the stock had really crazy, were like 77% from year to year. And yeah, that's really, really good. When you take a look at the valuation, you could say, yeah, 67 is a bit high, but it's, guys, and when you take a look at the growth rates, it's not that high. I'll show you, like, the next year, guys, we are growing actually 62%. That's absolutely crazy. In 27, we grow 46%. That's really, really crazy. Like, you could argue and just our price earning ratio of 100, and it would be fair, right? Because also Palantir and NVIDIA are more high valued on 2027 than AMD, and that's why they have a 22 price earning ratio in 28. That's really crazy. They will not doing that, and that's why I think the stock has still a lot of potential, and including the deal with OpenAI, it's just, I don't know, it should still here. Here, OpenAI, here the deal, hundreds and billions for AMD, and that's why it's really, really good for them, because they are now also seen as something like similar to NVIDIA, really, really good chips for the AI. And I think that's why they have still a lot of potential. They have new clients that will come. I'm absolutely sure they have a great CEO. Um, is really, really humble and really good. I really liked her, this woman. Yeah. So yeah, take a look at the chart. We're really, really good, as you know. He was this OpenAI, and we did well during after the whole OpenAI thing. We go like farther, just reaching new highs, and maybe we break through this trend. So I think we're now could almost test this supporting line. So guys, if we fail and if the market drops more, this will definitely be interesting, especially because then the stock has upside potential of like 20%, right? So during that range, really, really interesting. This definitely on my watch list, guys. Because if they break the trend, yeah, it's actually possible that they just go like this, right? um and they have the supporting line also on 180. I don't think so. It would be great because it would be a great buying opportunity for me. Right now, I think Chinese stocks are still cheaper, and this is already hot. This is a trend goes up, but still, guys, take a look. It's really, really better valued than other stocks like Palantir, even Nvidia. And take a look at Nvidia. Um, just take a look at Nvidia 55, but on 28 they have 23, so similar, really similar. And I think AMD has more potential because are they have the potential to be similar to Nvidia, build similar chips. Nvidia already builds the greatest chip, and the AMD can also build great chips, and they would then have more clients. And so that's why I'm bullish on the stock. So maybe next year target. By the way, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, would really help me on my channel. You know that I'm new. And so my final recommendation is year to year, we stand definitely on yeah, 280, 300 is would be my best case, 300. I think we can do 300 easily. Yeah, so 300 is my price target for the next year. We're year to date. Not till December 1st. But yeah, year to year, that's $300. That's my recommendation. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and bye bye.